object. So your information, this is the noun phrase. You know that what is noun phrase? Information is noun and your is possessive case. So your is related with this information. For example, this is duster. This is my duster. This is chalk. This is your chalk. Okay, this is board. Their board. This is the room. Our room. So our room, our college, our institute. So this is the relation with one word to another word. So for this reason, that is called a phrase. So this is the phrase, and this word is depend on this word. This one is depend on this word. For this reason, what happened? For example, I am depend on my legs. If I don't have the leg, I cannot walk. If you don't have the eyes, can you see? So you have to need the sighting or seeing, you need to the eyes. Okay, so this word is depend on this word. For this reason, this is what? This is also adjective, and this part is depend on this word. For this reason, this part is called noun phrase. You know what is the meaning of the phrase? What is the Bangla of the phrase? Do you understand what is the meaning of the phrase? Phrase meaning is, okay, so a group of words, more than one words. For example, two items, one duster, another one is chalk. So a chalk and duster. So two words. Okay, this is the board, blackboard, two words. This is the roof, white roof, two words. Do you understand? So a group of words, more than one, it may be many. For example, white, beautiful roof, plastic chair, one plastic chair. So this is the phrase. Do you understand? So it may be two, more than one words, at least two, and more than unlimited. Okay, so this is the noun phrase. Next one, what happened? This one is object, and next one we have seen that this is what is the name of this tense, subject and past form. For this reason, what happened? We have to use the passive form of the past indefinite tense. So in the past indefinite tense, passive form is what? Object. Next one is we need was or were, but there is no was or were in this sentence and in this sentence. Is there any was or were? There is no was or were. Clear? So what happened? Next one is the present form of the verb. This is more mistake. And next one is what? By, and next one is subject. Because we in this place, this one is the subjective case, and when it's put down the last part, then it becomes objective or possessive case. And next one, another sentence, object. Next one is usually extra. This one is extra. Next one is also is. But in the past indefinite tense, we have seen that we must write down was or were. Clear? And next one is the past participle form. This one is right, this one is by, and this one is subject. So in this case, where is the right answer? Is there any right answer? If we see that this is the past indefinite tense, what is the name of the past tense? Past indefinite tense. This one is the active, but the passive form. So we have to write down here was or were, but in this sentence I have given is. So for this reason, what happened? This answer and this answer both are wrong. There is no right answer. Do you understand? So in the exam hall, you can find out that there are some mistakes there. So you have to write down the right answer. But if there is the option, if these types of, for example, A or this one is B, and you have to fill up this circle, so you have no choice. If you write down A, that is right, B, that is right also. Both are right because the answer is wrong. For this reason, if you write down any one, your point is, your number is, your marks is, you have to, do you understand? So the answer is here, we should write down here was. then the answer will be now. In this moment it is the correct answer. But first one, here the present form of the verb, but we have seen that in the passive voice always the past participle form should be written. Do you understand? Okay, so Mamun, how are you? Thank you. So